I'm Tim Winter, Portfolio Manager of the Gabelli Utilities Funds and longtime utility analyst. As we enter Final Four weekend, a tournament that has seen many underdogs prove their value, I want to highlight the value of the utility sector. Historically, many view utility stocks as dull defensive investments, underdogs, if you will. But today's utility stocks are growing faster than in years past. In 2022, the median utility grew earnings at over 6%, and most utilities are targeting 5 to 7% earnings and dividend growth over the next several years. Faster growing utilities target 6 to 8. The utility sector is undergoing a great transformation from fossil fuels to clean energy. The public and politicians are calling for net zero carbon, and utilities are investing heavily to get there. State and federal regulators set rates so that utilities can earn returns on their investment, which means earnings grow. The year 2022 was the 10th consecutive year of record capital investment, and we expect more every year until society reaches net zero carbon sometime around 2050. Utilities are retiring coal plants. They're adding wind, solar, and battery storage. They're upgrading the transmission grid to move power around differently to handle large offshore wind projects. They're upgrading the distribution grid to prepare for electric vehicle charging stations, to allow rooftop solar to sell back to the grid, and to improve reliability for storms and wildfires. They're piloting green hydrogen to fuel power plants and blending hydrogen with natural gas. The electrification of the US and the global economy means electric demand is going to grow faster than it has in decades. Electric vehicle charging stations represent the first major boost for electric demand since central air conditioning. Electric, gas, and water utilities still have the same traditional defensive characteristics: monopoly service areas, essential products, stable customer base, strong balance sheets, and strong credit ratings. But they now have the added boost of political and regulatory support to achieve clean energy goals. And most importantly, they're able to grow earnings and dividends at faster than historical rates.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.